happy birthday, John. Just want to let you know how much we care about you. We support you. We love you. You, Therese, Peter, the whole entire Titan fam. What y'all have created is something special. We can't wait to keep riding the journey with you. Happy birthday, right? Happy birthday. We love you. Woo! Team Titan. Snip, snip.
Happy birthday, John.
We wish you many more. I love you.
Have a great night.
John, we both want to wish you a happy, amazing birthday for an amazing person. We love you and want nothing but the best for you.
We love you, John. Titan
Happy
family.
birthday, Titan forever, Titan strong.
My brother from another mother's birthday party. Shout out to John. Happy birthday, brother. You've been like a brother to me for the past 6 or 7 years now, so I'm very proud to be a part of the Titan family. But here it is. Happy birthday, John. Motor Enclave, Titan family. Plenty of food, plenty of liquor, and plenty of fun. Let's go.
Happy birthday, John.
Happy birthday.
You've been there forever, and I'm so happy to be here for you. I love you so much, man. Have a great day.
Happy
Happy
birthday,
birthday, John. So proud of you, big guy.
Woo!
It's a great party, man. Thank you.
Happy birthday, John. Hope you have a great one. This is the best birthday ever. Woo!
Happy birthday, John.
Action! First of all, it's the best party yet, by far. But I know only half the people. But the important people are here, like Marcello, Maria, and other people. But happy birthday, John. I love you, brother. We know each other for like 13 years now. And I love watching you guys grow, and you never age. So that's a good thing. Me, I got all this, but that's besides the point. I'm going to hand this off. Happy birthday, brother. I love you. There you go. Just talk into it.
Here I am with this microphone in my hand for the second time in so many weeks. I feel like I'm you, doing a Titan shout out. Happy birthday, my brother. We've known each other for so long, through so many things, our kids. I'm just so happy and so proud to be your friend and watch you guys grow and make everything you've done. And I look forward to many, many more of these birthdays.
Many more.
Love you, brother. Happy birthday.
All right, John. Thank you for inviting Gabby and I to your birthday. Thank you, Therese. I'm going to sing happy birthday to you. Just a couple lines. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear John. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, John. We love you so much. We're so excited to be here with you and celebrate your birthday. And we hope to celebrate many more with you.
Happy birthday to the boss. Thank you for taking such good care of us, John. We love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, John. We absolutely love you. I know I absolutely love you. Everything you do for everyone and like the energy and love you put into the business and your employees just reflects it. And I'm so happy to be part of the team and to know you and to celebrate you today. You're an amazing person, so incredibly intelligent, strong. You're a great leader, and like thank you for having me here to celebrate you because this is incredible.
Happy birthday, John. Only the best for you, brother. Love you, man.
Happy birthday, John. So blessed to be here with you to celebrate you. We love you. And Therese.
Happy birthday, John. I love you to the moon and back.
Happy birthday, my son. I love you so much. Many more.
Happy birthday, John. I hope this is the best year yet.
Happy birthday, John. You deserve the best.
Happy birthday!
What's up, John? You already know it's Big J, the Barber, and Giselle. We just want to go ahead and wish you a very, very happy birthday. I told you not too long ago, it seems like these birthdays are starting to come really, really fast, and we're getting a little older, so we're trying to let it slow down. But at the end of the day, man, we don't look our age, and I just want to say happy, wonderful birthday and blessings on many, many more.
Happy birthday, John. Thanks for having me being part of the family. Hope it's a great night. Love you guys.
Definitely want a huge shout out. Papa J, happy birthday. You guys are honestly like family. I can't tell you how much I appreciate you guys. I will always be there for you, just like you guys have always been there for me. I love you guys.
So crazy. Known you guys for so many years now, probably more than I can actually even count. Just want to say happy birthday to you, Papa J, and thank you so much for everything that you do for us. We really appreciate it, and we love you. Happy birthday.
I'm just going to say that this one's pretty monumental.
This is a good one. This is
Right?
A good one. 44 years, John. I mean, this is my second time around the block with you, but, you know, happy birthday. Mamacita.
Happy birthday, John.
Yeah.
We love you.
We love
Happy
you.
birthday.
Many more years,
Hope
man.
for a good, successful year as always.
God bless you.
Yeah.
Yep.
And keep it up.
Good
Keep it
job,
up.
Sharice, for putting this all on.
Happy birthday, John. Have a wonderful birthday and many, many more to come.
What's up, guys? We are here at the Motor Enclave, 44 years old in 20 minutes, and my good friend made it in time, Thaddeus Bullard, aka Titus O'Neil. Thank you for coming. How you doing?
I'm doing great. This is my second birthday party, by the way, but I would not miss it for nothing. I was at Dr. Julius Irvin's 75th birthday party earlier, but I had to tell Dr. J that I got to get over to another Dr. J birthday party who's turning 44 in about 20 minutes.
Oh, yes.
At Motor Enclave, awesome venue, awesome occasion. 44, you know what else was to simplify 44?
No.
You might not like this.
Tell me.
Let me get you back. Barack Obama was the 44th president.
Okay, all right. Hey,
so you might be the president of the birthday club moving out. You
That's
know
okay, yes.
So you got so many similarities. Dr. Julius Irvin celebrated his birthday right here in Tampa.
I can't believe
Dr.
that.
J, Dr. John, right here. I made him a doctor today.
Yes.
I got my girl Sharice here.
I love you guys.
Family up in here. Family up in here.
Tighten up.
That's right. You gotta tighten up. You gotta be tight and strong. That's my dude. That's it. Love this dude.
Happy birthday, baby. My daddy boo, my soulmate, my husband, my business partner, and my best friend wrapped up into one honky, sexy man. How could I ask for anything better? I love you so much. I'm glad you're enjoying your birthday. That's what's most important to me, is putting a smile on your face. That is what makes me happy. So I love you so much, baby, from the bottom of my heart. You'll never understand how much I love you. And yeah, I love you more, always.
So now we are finally finished at the Enclave. The birthday party is complete, and we are on the way home. Some of us are in good shape. Some of us aren't in good shape. Sita, and as you can see, her passed out here. It was a really, really good night. Tons of great people there. A lot of love, man, was shown to me, and I really appreciate that. I'm really grateful for that. And at this point, like, we're on the way home with the crew here. So it's a little wrap up as far as the crew, but everybody that came out, thank you guys for came out. Thank you guys for showing me a lot of love, and thank you to my wife Sharice for setting all this up again. I always give her credit where credit's due, and everybody that was a part of it. It was really, really cool. Like my family coming down here, my brother, my mom, Michael Hearn flying in town. We have Lissa here, who's got tons of history with us. Julie here, Eric, and like I said, everybody that was there. It was truly an amazing event, amazing time, and it was a great birthday party, and then it rolled into the after party, which was really, really cool. Thank you guys. So we're on the way home. Let's go chill for a little bit, sleep, and we'll wake up tomorrow, and hopefully we're not hurt.